Part one was pretty interesting, right? Well, this is part two. Now we're going to go through each individual unit with the safety inspector and just see what he has to tell us. So we did get our list. It's quite a long list, and we are just going to have to work through it with the owner. So enjoy the video. All right, so between the steps, this is not an acceptable handrail?
This is not an acceptable handrail.
Okay. What do we need it to be?
Yeah.
What do we need it to be?
Graspable.
Gotcha.
It would be like an inch and a half or just a normal handrail.
Is location okay?
Location's fine.
Okay. I just want to make sure. So we basically need to put in like an oversized dowel rod, not a 2x4.
Yeah.
Something. Okay. Something you can actually grip. Okay.
2x3. No, it's 2020. But it's a smoke.
Smoke only, so we need a combo.
Yes. Unless you have a CO in here.
I don't believe we do. I don't believe we do, no.
What do you have in here? Boiler or is it?
That side's boiler. Everything on this side is baseboard. Electric. And we have had electricians through here testing all of those because there was one or two that weren't working, but everything's working now.
Bathroom?
Right to your right.
Hello?
No.
Good? Okay.
No.
No one's in there.
No.
GFCI's not working.
Yep.
Fan doesn't work either.
All right, so unit 1, GFI in the bathroom and fan. All right, there's 7. Hi, puppy.
Hi. How are you? You're pretty.
Just to let you know, man, I'm going to be testing the smoke detectors.
Okay.
And see.
When actually the city came by, they was doing this special thing. They checked the smoke detector and make sure the batteries and stuff working.
The city, I mean the firefighters.
Firefighters, yeah.
Actually get this one from here.
Yeah, it's Thompson. Is that hardwired or is that just around the 10 year?
I'm gonna talk to you guys. Excuse me.
Hi, bro.
Hi.
What kind of
Battery.
Huh?
What kind of? This one is something different.
Is that a motion sensor? Because that thing started going off when we...
Ma'am, is this your motion sensor?
Huh?
Is that your motion sensor?
There's a lot.
For that one?
Oh, yeah. I think that's what they
Smoke sensor is good. Battery life is at least 12 months. The alarm will now sound in 5 seconds.
There's the smoke detector.
Cancel.
right here.
Alright.
What is that noise? What is that one? Oh,
That's
it's
that's
gone.
that's your duress alarm.
That's when the intruders in the house, it gets louder than the cop show.
Well, it should be clear.
Okay. So we got that one. I didn't even check. Double check that one, make sure it's a
Combo.
combo. Let me double check. I think it is.
No.
Looks like it's got too much writing on it. I think you're right.
That one from D.
Yes.
All right, so this one's good.
Where's your bathroom at? The bathroom?
Bathroom. I think it's right here on the left.
Okay, they got,
Oh, you got it, yeah.
that's a half bath?
Yeah, this one has one. The other one, the full one is upstairs.
Alright, where's the outlet at? Okay.
You need to go on?
On the outside.
Right, we got the. There's no way to lock the bathroom door on the inside, so we need one of these for at least the inside.
And that one
Of
on
this
the
door.
outside's gotta be removed.
And this has to be removed, so we can just reuse this if we need to. It's decent down there. I've actually been down there. And down into the creepy basement we go.
So we got expansion tank. Just like I said, we're gonna need a inspection done on that.
Okay. I believe we actually just had one.
If you did, you can either
Yeah,
get
I'll
me
check with the team because I know we had somebody working on that because it did have issues when we took it over. I believe said issues have been resolved, but I'm not 100%. There's another detector that needs to be replaced.
No, it don't need to replace, but
Just needs a new battery.
just needs a battery.
All right, so downstairs, 807 needs a battery.
Just to let you know right now, these are only safety inspections.
Right.
And for safeties, you got a small to-do list. If it was a full rental, I probably wouldn't be doing them unless you have to go through them.
Right.
You have to do, we do not do punch out lists,
Mm-hmm.
and it has to be moved in ready. And if whoever's doing the walkthroughs or punch out and doesn't do that, we walk out, then it's a reinspection fee per unit.
Good to know.
Before we will come back in.
Makes sense.
Also, if it is a rental inspection, if a permit's required, they have to call in and get the permits closed out.
Right. I just turned it around on myself.
Okay.
Still recording.
Still recording. Okay. If you you have to call in the permits,
Mm-hmm.
and they have to be closed out before I can come in and do my inspections.
Yep.
The one good thing about it is, if it's only a permit required, that's it. Once you guys do your stuff and you have that closed out, just contact me. I'll look in the system and I can close mine out loud and come back.
Okay, perfect.
That's it.
Okay, that sounds good. Well, that's going to be a big list. And if you noticed all of the details, if we don't get this stuff done quickly, then it's going to get condemned. So, time to get to work.